me. Hey, my little storm dolls, it's me, Callie Storm Doll, and here today we're jumping into the world of Roblox. We have Roblox from Series 9, we have Roblox from Series 10, Series 11. It's been a minute since I've opened up Roblox. Over here we have the Roblox Tech Fairy, the Roblox Drama Queen. We have the Mermaid Life Roblox. We have the sorority Roblox. This is just so nice. Now I'm gonna tell you guys this. When I was on Amazon, I was originally shopping for just one little Roblox, just one little one, which was going to be Gabriella, the one right here. So this is her packaging, and it says that she's a part of Series 2. So then I saw Diana. Now these two girls came with these blind boxes, okay? So whatever in these blind boxes, we can actually thank Gabriella and Diana, because that's why we got these little blind bags today. But when I ordered these, I originally ordered her by herself. When I opened the box, she came with this one. It must was like a free giveaway or something. I ordered these two just because I wanted to see what these will be giving with the little effects and things like that. I just wanted to see what it would look like. But this guy came with this playset. And I said, if all this is not working out together, this is really cool. So on the back of it, you guys can pause it and get a read. And also with this one, I'm gonna try to remove the glare. You guys can pause and read that one. I'm gonna get everyone who's in a packaging out of their packaging, them and their accessories, and then we're gonna open up these blind box series on camera. I'll be right back. Make sure you guys stay tuned. Alright, now this pack I am really excited for because this is the first time I've seen any Roblox figures actually come with some type of weapons. Alright, and for anyone who's interested, you can use this exclusive code to get with whatever Roblox toy that is. I do have the game, but let's just call it a free giveaway. Alright, and here she is out of her packaging, and it looks like the mask, I was curious about this, and it looks like the mask is actually a part of her sculpt. So this will be something that I could exchange with other characters. And here he is looking ready. Yes, I'm enjoying this face sculpt. This is very interesting. These two Pow Pows came. And as you can see, the Bam Bam, the Pow Pow, you know, YouTube regulations are off the chain, so I can't really say the words, but these are nicely painted and these are excellent sculpts. All right, and the jabs, here they go, and these are nicely painted. Look at these guys, the paint detail on each side is crisp and clean, honey. Who is Roblox presented by? So they are presented by Jazwares. Alright, and this box also came with them, and it doesn't look like there's a surprise inside or anything like that. And this is our next set. You can see we got the shark and we got the alien cowboy. Alright, and for anyone who's interested, here is another code for you. You can type in and get your exclusive virtual item. Alright, and this came with the shark figure. I think this is supposed to be some type of shield. These two came with the shark figure as well, even though I'm not entirely sure what. So here is our shark character, and for those of you who are new to Roblox, they have head articulation, shoulders, they can twitch side to side, and they also have knee articulation. Now I think those extra pieces are, is it to change his fin out or to, oh, to give him a tail. Got it. Alright, and here is our more alien-weight figure. He kind of looks like a sheriff. Like he says, I came to this planet to protect it. It doesn't look like his head can turn very well because of his design. Comes with this sword with the eyeball on it, which looks really, really cool. Also comes with this blade. He also comes with the tail that we can actually Okay, so the back piece goes in the top and the bottom, so it's not just for the bottom. So you put one up there and one down there. All right, now the mermaid figure came with this really cool card for Mermaid Life. And on the back, you guys are perfectly welcome to freeze this so you can read a little bit on Diana, the animal trainer. And this is the figure. I think she is so pretty. You guys look at Diana. I think she's so cute. I love the two aquatic breeds in the back. I'm loving her crown. Her face up is really pretty. Her outfit is white and gold, and her fin does move, but it seems like she'll always be stuck in the seated position unless I actually swap her head out, but which we won't do in this video. But stay tuned, because I'm thinking about having a Roblox mix and match party. Stay tuned. But this mermaid actually came with some blind bags, so let's check them out. All right, and here is the code for the floral reef crown. You're free to have it. So in the second bag, she came with a coffee, and it looks like an otter. Maybe this is her pet who went on an errand to get her a Starbucks. Take it back home. Now this is interesting. She actually comes with, it looks like a shark mask. We can actually put this on her. So this is what she would look like with the shark head on. Seems like it's some type of mechanical piece. I don't even know what this is. So overall, am I impressed by her accessories? No. I wish we would have got something like a spare crown that you can swap out, or even an alternative tail, or even legs to give her bottoms. Those to me would have been decent accessories. But let's see what our homegirl, the sorority chick Gabriella, is bringing to the party. Alright, and this is what Gabriella came with. It says the Star sorority card, and on the back it says check out the books found around the campus. And I love that it shows who actually created this club on Roblox. That's really cool. So this is the character that we get. You can see her design is blue. She has on the jewels with her purple hair. Her eyes are blue, and she definitely is giving jaded vibes. Gabriella, are you happy to be going to the school? Sure. That's kind of what she's giving. So let's open up her surprises. Maybe that'll cheer her up a bit. Alright, and here's the virtual item that comes with Gabriella, the monster purse. It was interesting, the monster purse looked dead in the eyes, just like her. Is Gabby sitting on a secret? Well, for anyone who wants this diddly purse, oh, let me get the rest of it. Is it any more to code left? That's it. So you guys can go ahead and have that. So something is up with her. She actually comes with the purse that they said they're gonna give away exclusively, and it's smiling. Something about this sorority, y'all. I don't think I want to attend. So she also came with two like helmets. I'm not even sure what this is. I'm not sure if they're wigs or like helmets to go boxing. Oh no, these are boxing gloves. You think so? They look like boxing gloves, but they look really way too big for her. Alright, so here we get a nice skirt that we can actually slip her into. Yes! Now our homegirl is getting ready for the Bridgington Ball. Yes! Hey boo, you happy to be going to the ball? Child, it's something about that sorority house. Oh, and look at this, guys. While she was at the ball, she got herself a cotton candy. She's a sweet girl, you know. She just won't smile, you know. You look good, queen. Now, I actually like her accessories. The only thing I didn't like was these big boxing gloves. It wasn't on theme. If anything, they could have gave her another lace with a different bow in it. But this is cute. I'm actually living for her. Hey, Pooh. Yes. Alright, so now what we're going to do is, since we opened up the blind bags with Gabriella and the mermaid, what we're going to do now is get into these blind boxes. Well, I did get one out of the three. I got the kooky scientist, so the kooky scientist looking one. That's not too bad. So this must be a graduation series, because it says you finally made it, huh? So this is like a grandpa at a graduation. Oh, wow. All right, and if you want that, here is your code. Never say Callie never gave you anything. Hopefully that's coming up clear. If you guys can see that, that's the code. Grab it up, grab it up, grab it up. And she is cute. Apple picking. I think I want her. Okay, so it looks like I got some type of king, and his virtual item is the Regal King cape. And here's the code for that. He comes with a shield, a sword, and he comes with the cape of his own. So he is a really adorable figure. He's really adorable. Was I expecting him? No. And he's no one that was listed on the front. The one he's closest to is the robot, but he wasn't listed. Okay, so this one was a robot, and it says that the virtual item is Scrap Shoulder Pal. So if you guys want that code, here's the code for the Scrap Shoulder Pal. Now I'm starting to see why Amazon stuffs so many freebies and free giveaways into your box. Because a lot of these I would not have purchased on my own. Alright, so we have everyone here that I unboxed today. We have a lot of characters, and let me tell you something. I have a whole box full of Roblox. So what I was thinking about doing was having a Roblox mix and match party. Basically, I would take all the Roblox that I have from my past, mix and match with these, and create some really cool characters. Everyone here has their own theme and personality. But let's see what we could create, okay? I want to thank you guys for watching today. If it's anyone out of today's collection you really liked, let me know by leaving me a comment below. Of course, I love my girl Gabriella, the mermaid. You know, those were the main two I actually purchased. I enjoy the singer, but I'm trying to figure out how can I incorporate her. So basically, I'm thinking about introducing them to my Roblox world, which I've already created some characters. So I'll show you guys something before we head on out. So like these two. These, like, she's herself. This is how her aesthetic was. But like him, like, let's say he wasn't originally this hair or this face. You can actually switch everything out. So what I'm thinking about doing is just switching out different looks and creating custom characters. Like this one, I just pieced this together and just made her look like this. So now she could be like the excitable friend, like, Dan, let's go to the mall, like that, you know? So that's what I'm gonna do, and I think I'm gonna do it on video with you guys just so we can chat a little bit. So I'll do that. So make sure you guys stay tuned, like, share, and subscribe. And if you're interested in watching my mix and match party, just stay tuned to the channel because I will be posting it after I post today's review. So once again, I want to thank you guys, and just remember this: I will see you on my next video.